Got the Pontiac G8. Needs an alternator. I don't know why. Dropped off, said I need an alternator. So here's the alternator. And they said a new one is installed already, and it already quit, which is kind of fishy. But they did say they put a reman one, and looks like there's oil all around it, just nothing on it. And looking up through here, I don't see anything. So let's get down in there and see what it looks like. I hope you can see what's going on. I don't know what you can see. It's just, I gotta get you out of my way. But anyways, I've just taken a half-inch bar, just so I can get it off the alternator. That's all right there. So now the alternator is free. Okay, so up top is showing a 15 millimeter. Hopefully that's it. There we go. Okay, that's not moving. There, perfect. My hands are too big to fit through the top, so I have to go right in front of you guys. Sorry. I try to show you guys everything, but and of course I dropped that, so that's going. Now you can't see it, but followed behind this one is another one in the back. Probably be easier if I took the tire off, but I also want to avoid that too. Oh, oh, there we go. Yeah, I would assume that's plenty, but you know, just for laughs, I'm gonna get rid of it too, and I'll let you know if afterwards it was actually worth it or not. Okay, you guys are in the way. You guys need to go. All right, with that last stud out, it just falls. And that's usually the easiest way to access this stuff. Okay, so that plug's done. And that's probably 14 mil. And there's the alternator. Okay, so the new one, it's identical because it's an OEM, or it's not, I don't know, OEM replacement, but it's a replacement. We're gonna have to get it in there, re-hook it back up. And as usual, you guys are in my way again. Okay. That extra slack helped. Now I'm just going to connect this wiring harness underneath here. All right. Now let's rotate this in place. I'm gonna start by adding the top stud. So I'll line this up, I'll poke that through like so. Same with this bottom one. I'll get back to do the third one and get back to you guys, because it's gonna take a while to put these in, because I switched over to using this short stub because it's the only thing I could fit in there with the 7mm. Now I know definitely gonna have to order some 7mm wrenches and whatnot. So I will tell you that's a lot easier putting that on than it is taking those things off. Now we're just gonna add the 3 15mm nuts. All right, I got the belt back on. Come back down here to the compartment. And then tighten down the 10mm. All right, so now start it and then go test it. Okay, first let's charge the battery and then we'll try it. Okay, so I've had it charging. I'm pretty sure the battery's dead. I still can't get it to start. I guess we gotta get the battery tester out. Can't get the key out either. It just says contact dealer, which is a sign that it's a bad battery. Something interesting, I just look at how flat this hose is. There we go. See the hose and flatten when you take off that that cap. That's usually a sign of a failing cap. That's what I read, at least. Yeah, it's creating a vacuum, and it shouldn't be. But yeah, we got the brand new alternator on, everything put back together. And like I said, now we just can't get it to start. It's time to break out the battery tester. Because this thing charges the battery really fast. This is the Noco Genius 10. Let me see here. Shut that off. Yeah, it shouldn't have drained that fast. So I'm gonna go ahead and assume this battery is bad. Show you what it does.